आवाज ही आएगी ना इनके बारे में कुछ नहीं बस बस दो लॉस का गई था मैं वहाँ देखा एक कह रहा था जैसे जामुन से भी कट्टे खर्च कर रहे लोग ऐसा नहीं है आपने ऊपर देखो नहीं और आवाज नहीं की आवाज भी क्रिएट कर दे डिज्नी कैन क्रिएट एनीथिंग हाँ No, we didn't build the water tank. No, we cannot. There's no game, okay? Okay? For cooling you down. ये देखा ये. No, no.
Ozzy, look. Your San Francisco is the same like this.
Ooh, I got a lightning strike.
Oh, really?
That's a lightning
Look,
strike.
there's a bird up there.
He threw it in the bin.
That was a lightning strike. I got it.
Road जा रही है रोक.
That was a lightning
I'm
strike.
recording.
No. Sagat, आपकी टॉर्च ऑन है.
Let it be on. It's gonna be dark anyway.
Ooh,
What happened?
I saw another lightning.
I can't see anything. I can't find
Yeah, because you're pointing over there.
Yeah, I don't want to get anyone's face. Oh, shoot.
Hey, it's getting broken.
I didn't matter. All fly down and my
Back down.
What did I say? I didn't want to make these.
Here we go. The winds are picking up.
I'm just kind of.
ये कहाँ जाने को कह रही?
I didn't leave the park. I didn't hear them. I heard them say something.
पता नहीं. हाँ, लोग जा रहे हैं तो लोग जा रहे हैं. आओ.
Let me call them.
आओ. आ रहा हूँ. आओ. आएगा. Come on. Keep everything back. Come on. हाँ, सब जा रहे हैं.
Yeah, there's lightning and thunder. I think that's why.
अगर लोग जा रहे हैं तो हम जा रहे हैं.
Florida.
मुझे क्या पता. Follow करो.
Just go.
रुको आजान. मैं गाड़ी में नहीं जा रहा. ये क्या बात हुई? आपको ऐसा पता नहीं.
I think they are. Let's go. Everywhere in the UN.
ये भी एक एक्सपीरियंस है.
Thought that was thunder for a second. It's starting to rain. People are still sitting.
Ask him right here where they have it. I'll find out.
Let's get in there.
Keep coming all the way in, guys. Coming all the way in. I need that walkway here. Appreciate it.
अब ये गई थी. मुझे आपको खरीदो है. अंदर लाल आते हैं. यही आ गए. हम बाहर जा रहे हैं. लोग खड़े हो.
I know. 1 minute.
Okay na sa lolo.
Mhm.
कब शांत हो सुनामी आए तो सबको
ठंड लग रही है
क्या करें आपके लिए क्या ब्लैंकेट ऑर्डर
बुलाइए maybe about 4:30.
Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel.
Yeah, it looks like about 4:30. But there's like another one behind this one. You're wet. Thank you so much. I'll let it right there. He may change his mind in a minute.
Okay, pass it down. I'm gonna change the.
We need more.
You need another one?
I'm okay.
Make sure you're diaper, baby.
घूमने के लिए निकलते हैं बड़े एहतमाम से जो टावल वगैरह सब कुछ लेके निकलते हैं जब बारी आती है घूमने की तो सब कुछ छोड़ के बगैर उसके जो है टावल वगैरह सब कुछ लाए हम लोग हमारे बैग में पड़ा हुआ है लॉकर में
You don't have to go to sleep. No, it's okay. You're fine.
You see it? You see it?
You'll stay about an hour. Yeah, like an hour or maybe hour and a half. But you know what we can do maybe? Let's see, what the dinner's
Yeah.
You might be able to do it at the hotel.
Let's see if there's any lightning strikes in it. I just saw lightning, by the way. Mm-hmm.
I just have to walk like there and you can like this.
ये कि मैसेज करना
Oh, whoa.
Oh, windy.
Did you hear that?
Yes. Look at that kid.
Doesn't matter. Doesn't bother.
Let's go.
Oh, lightning.
Hey, wait, I can't.
It was up there.
I can't see something. The rain is.
Ooh, that was loud.
Yeah.
Here comes the rain. Here comes the rain. Ooh. Rain's getting heavier.
या इधर आ जाओ
That's fine. That's fine.
It's whatever, just keep it. We'll thunder again.
मैं देखूंगा आप क्या रिकॉर्ड से फोन काय ते अभी आप नहीं कर रहे खड़ा हुआ है यूं नहीं कर रहा है चल कम हो रही है और ठंडा भी गई जाना भाई आपको जाना काम हो गया मेरा आईटी टाइम तो हो ये मैप चाहिए हाँ वो रहा मैप ना एक मिनट
Oh, it's getting heavier.
और हम है इधर शॉप पे
Oh, it's gone heavier.
मैंने दो अम्ब्रेला भी रखी है गाड़ी में
hot dog अच्छा लग रहा है I'm gonna go for that
I want I'm gonna go.
I want hot dog
Yeah.
ये
Low
खाता
tide
नहीं है
blues. Hot dog with chips. Low tide blues. Low tide blues.
very good
It's over here somewhere.
oh yeah right grab and go
1 minute. 4-minute walk. 4-minute walk.
which way we are here now
If we are here. We have to go this way.
ये भी ठीक है आपको दुकान में मिल रहा है आपको खरीदो यहाँ से और ये बार से एक बार मिले और ये भी ठीक है हाँ यहाँ से जाना ये हो रहा है बार ये भी इंडिकेट है वही ना वही आप भी ना वही अच्छा है ये भी इंडिकेट है क्या इनके पास
Hot dog, bacon, chicken wrap,
और क्या करना
salad.
थैंक यू हलवा के लिए देखना हलवा हॉट डॉग नहीं करते खा लेगा ना खा लेगा हलवा खा लेगा
Oh, lightning strike.
ये भी इंडिकेट है सब दे रहे हैं डिज्नी क्रिएट मैजिक बड़ा बड़ा
Did you see that?
Alright, they only have this stuff.
हॉट डॉग नहीं है
Hot dog chips.
हॉट डॉग है हाँ हॉट डॉग और क्या है
You see that?
चिकन रैप है
Yeah, I saw that. I was looking at my phone and I just laughed.
Yeah. It happens whenever you finish recording. A lightning strike just happens.
और
And you just a lightning strike just happens.
फ्राइड सी फूड टाइफून चिली का है
Typhoon chili? Wait,
चिली टाइफून चिली फ्राइड सी फूड है नॉर्थ इंडिया कुछ तो मिल जाएगा
Fried seafood? Wait, okay. I'll open it. 3-minute walk.
सही बोल रहे हो प्रॉब्लम होती है क्या कोई जो हजार साल बस तो मम्मी का हुई हाँ हम लोग कहीं जाके यही हो रहा था
Fried fish platter.
हाँ बच्चा ही है काफी को मिल रहा है ये भी आप फुल पोक सैंडविच भी खा लेंगे फ्राइड सी फूड है हाँ मतलब ये प्यू वाला है
Wait,
ये
there-
ऑक्सीजन स्ट्रिप आइडिया के लिए ये ची वाला फिगर
Truffle salad. Fried fish. Land and sea. That's also.
फ्राइड फिश प्लेटर है मैं आगे के
और
ऊपर
land
हट जाऊंगा दिखा मेरा हो गया फ्राइड फिश के लिए जाना
Yeah, Typhoon chili.
और हम लोग हॉट डॉग ले लेंगे
Is there 3 minutes?
सेम में
No. Typhoon chili that way.
चलो वहाँ भी हॉट डॉग चिकन स्ट्रिप खा लोगे
Yeah. Yeah.
फ्राइड के साथ
मैं खा लें, yeah, okay.
Oh no, wait.
हम लोग हॉट डॉग ले लेंगे हाँ मैं आगे का पूछूँ
Yeah.
मुझे हॉट डॉग ही ले
They have coffee,
No, we no one wants coffee.
You do?
No, I know.
beer for
I like coffee with breakfast. Not with lunch.
beer for you.
Oh yeah, that I want.
Oh,
Not
hold
but
on.
recommend. But
Hey, you're the one that said it. Alright, anyways. 3-minute walk. It's that way, that way.
okay, चलो वहीं चल. अभी देख ले. अभी? हम तो चले जाएंगे. लोग क्या करेंगे?
That's how it
अभी निकले. चलो भाई. हम कोई होएगा नहीं ना हम लोग सबसे पहले पहुंच जाएंगे. हाँ हाँ. ये तो है. किस तरफ जाना? This way, down the bridge.
Where's high and dry? I think it's that one. Oh, do you see
High
that?
and dry water.
I saw that.
Alright, that way, that way.
Yes.
That way. Wait. Where's Singapore?
Just like this.
But it is sun over there though. I didn't see that.
Well, that's there one like, is there one like below?
There's one area for food right before we got to the fly.
Because this spot I see like it was an empty area.
No, अब करें?
No, okay.
नहीं मैं नहीं जा रहा. ये कल मान आएगा फिर मुझे.
Okay, I think I'm gonna try to head back this way because this way we're coming into the park. Okay, ready? Come on, bike.
The rain's getting heavier again.
I saw lightning.
Where?
Lightning flash. I think I saw lightning flash.
Okay.
Oh no.
Oh, here we go.
नहीं है अभी इतनी धूप थी गर्मी और एकदम से अंधेरा पर
Happened Texas as well. You're gonna see it. Sun and then rain.
वो जो कह रहे हैं आप लोग जाओ वहाँ देखो क्या सिचुएशन है अगर फोन करो सही चलना नो प्रॉब्लम नहीं मुझे भी नहीं है इनको भी नहीं है चले
Yeah, let's go.
चलो
Hold on, wait,
यू
wait.
जॉइन करोगे
Oh, wow. Oh.
यार नगर नहीं आएगा ना ये मैप कैसे देखोगे अगर ना मैप कैसे देखोगे देखो एक मिनट मैं आपको दे रहा हूँ आप इसके अंदर डालो और मैप देखते हो
Yeah.
ठीक है एक मिनट स्टार्ट तो कर दो है ना ये एंजॉय कर दो डालो
Oh my goodness, I can't run for it.
रन चाहिए आराम से just fast walk take us there
Alright. Ready?
I'm good whenever you people are yeah I'm good you good
Ready?
बहुत तेज हो रही है भाई इसका वो है रोना है
Go.
oh yeah do you know where we want to go to yeah okay high and dry
High and dry over there. Leave it.
चलो निकलो
Ready?
you go you leave he knows welcome to Florida
How do you walk like this? ये भी एक एंजॉय ये भी वाटर पार्क की राइड ही समझो Oh, here, this is the hot dog one. It's even a walk.
No, I want that. We're going all the way back.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
want something close by here.
Nothing else is only this. Great ball, my dog.
We don't need hot dog, take a stand there. मैंने कुछ देखा था.
No, nothing else here. Let's
Okay,
see.
no, hold on.
Typhoon and it.
Okay, you guys wait here.
Typhoon Chili and Snack Shack.
You guys wait here. Wait here.
Yeah.
Oh! That was wild. What?
नहीं हॉल यहाँ तो कहीं है मान लो फटे.
Snack Shack and Typhoon Chili.
तो जाना नहीं है. Thunder buddy for life. I know.
There comes the rain again.
Thunder buddy for life.
You got that right?
Yeah, I think I did. I
No,
had it while God, so I had
I
it
think
paused.
I'm in your room to put it.
भैया मम्मा को फोन करना.
I was gonna get it. Oh, here, take it. He just came here and then.
Yeah, I saw it.
Yeah, so did
I had it paused, unfortunately.
I think it's from the water. I think it's from the water.
I saw that one.
Oh wow.
Oh, wow.
Another flash.
I'm loving this man.
I'm loving it.
Rain's getting heavy again.
You survived the walk. The loving show.
This is Florida.
Nice day, man.
Yeah.
Nice day. Wait, look on Google Maps. They have fish tacos.
Oh.
Shrimp wrap. Chicken strips. Right.
बाहर जो ड्राई जगह थी वो जगह थी
नहीं मैं ये नहीं कह रहा था हम लोग देखते हैं हम लोग को खुला है
हाँ खाना भी ड्राई
यहाँ पे
Look at these people running.
मगर
Running for their life.
पूरा ऑल द वे साइड पर आना पड़ेगा मैं लोकेशन भी रह सकता हूँ वरना भी रुक जाओ थोड़ी हाँ थोड़ी आई यहाँ तो लगते भाग रहे
हाँ वही होगा हमारी तरह
Yeah, like that. You right here.
ओके
क्या बोली
फूल पड़े हो
It's not ending, it's still going.
Yeah.
In the UK, normally ends by now.
No, it won't end. Go on.
दिमाग में आइडिया हो रही है मैं भी कर रहा था
Oh, no, wait. Let's say the weather app.
I want to know Mahmoud का मजाक कब करते
It says it'll last till 3 o'clock
मजाक करते
for the next hour.
Yeah.
UK से शायद स्ट्रेट पे ही मुड़ी जाती है वाकई में
Well, that was on your weather app.
हल्की हुई है लोग पढ़ भी नहीं आएंगे पता है
There's a small flood by the lockers.
but I know.
That's my.
Api
That's
chakku.
my.
No. अभी पीछे भाग रहा है। Flip flop में है problem ये। Grip नहीं होती ना।
We should get some food, man.
Come on.
अच्छा मैं बताता हूँ आपको कैसे ढूंढते हैं। देखो
आप लोग वो करो।
अच्छा ये देखो।
आप लोग खड़े यहाँ पे मैं पिक मारते जाऊँ।
हाँ हाँ आराम से। देखो हॉट डॉग किया। अभी जितने भी क्यों डॉगी लेना वो आपको हॉट डॉग आ जाए। So we have one. Just here.
Just here.
Yeah. So we have hot dog.
I want fried fish.
Yeah, you can have whatever you want. I'm just saying. Okay?
Special weather statement. What does that mean?
It has a weather state. A warning got issued.
Yeah, look. See? Special weather statement.
Mm-hmm.
Strong thunderstorm will impact southwestern Orange and northwestern Osceola County to 2:30 p.m.
Yeah.
That's what National Weather Service.
The rain's getting heavier again.
Yeah, the 2:30 says 2:30 EDT. Over here, here we are.
Your new kid normally ends by now.
Kissing me,
Kissing.
Dr. Phillips.
Wait, it's just. I think I saw hail.
मैं वहाँ के साथ location पे।
I think I saw hail.
Hail? Wait,
I
it
saw.
doesn't hail here though. It can't.
I got location
It could have been just a big raindrop.
I have. Wait,
that's why I want you to learn.
wait, you know, right? What's that noise?
Yeah, I saw that lightning.
I didn't.
See if we can get another strike over here. I missed it. You know that strike right in front. Missed it, unfortunately.
Oh wait, you didn't get that strike?
I had the video paused.
Oh,
I have the video paused.
that would've been a nice moment.
Yeah. But I got the thunder from it because I instantly played it after it struck. So I got the thunder from it.
No.
Maybe it might strike here again. No, no.
Oh no.
It could.
Slowing down a little.
There's special weather statement in our area.
It came out of nowhere, man.
He said 5 p.m. But no.
No,
Rain.
we said 5.
Okay.
I'm looking on his radar and he said 5 p.m.
4 p.m.
4 p.m. It was 5 or 4 p.m.
5 or 4 p.m. That's from 4 or 5 p.m. partly cloudy. Wait. Or it's gonna rain tomorrow as well.
I'm seeing lots of lightning now. I saw another lightning flash.
Isolated.
हाँ रुक रही है ना हाँ हल्की हो गई अच्छा 45% हो गई 3 बजे हाँ और फिर 4 बजे तो क्लियर है हाँ तो अच्छा मुझे हॉट डॉग मिल गया आपको क्या फ़ोन कर रहा था
Santa
हाँ,
Clara.
ये रहा एक आपके ऊपर है और ये रहा स्नेक चेक ठीक है कान को बोल रहा आप खोल नहीं सकते कुछ वो बैठा और आके पैदल सामने की तरफ
Wait, how's that possible? I was only 2 hours back, right?
3 hours.
Oh, okay, that's why it's different.
Telephone is 3 hours.
That's why it's 10
2 hours from us.
Wait, there should be 11. It says 10.
Other
Orlando. Orlando. I think Miami. Oh, Miami sunny.
And Miami doesn't have, might have it later, I don't know.
Miami.
Miami.
No lightning flash.
Miami is an airport dealer.
Sure, no lightning.
I want to try fish.
I'm trying to slow down a bit now.
I thought I might go for the fish tank.
No, you bail on me, dude.
Two PM's 100%.
अभी हल्की हो गई है
My timing is not good.
बढ़िया रही
ये क्या है? ये भी शायद बर्गर है, एंगर चीज बर्गर और चीज फ्राइड ब्रेड नॉटिंग के लिए ये रहा ऑयल एंड इम्पॉसिबल हम वो लगा लर्निंग पाम का है ना लीनिंग पाम सॉरी लीनिंग पाम
Leading bombs is... This is leading bombs in where we are right now.
Oh, it's just here. Yeah, yeah.
Leading bombs?
Oh, wow. Oh, it's on the other side.
That's the other side.
Ah, yeah, I checked out the sign. It's got the leaning लिखा हुआ है.
Yeah, it's a palm tree and then they cross it
It's
out.
drawing it out like leaning.